Welcome to Quiz Gentry, your history quiz channel to all things maritime. From construction to voyages, sinking, scrapping, or wreck, each quiz will challenge your knowledge of maritime history. Today, let's test our knowledge of the MSC Diamond with 25 informative questions and just 8 seconds to answer each. But before we begin, we ask that you consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the bell to stay updated with our quizzes testing your knowledge of iconic vessels. Now, let's get started. To see how well you know about the legendary Sea Diamond, on to the very first question. What year was MSC Diamond built? We have 1986, 1998, and 1995. When was it? Yes, 1986. MSC Diamond was built in the mid-1980s. Marking the beginning of its journey as a passenger vessel. It served various operators during its lifetime. Question 2. Where did MSC Diamond sink? Was it Santorini, Crete, or Mykonos? Santorini it was. The ship sank in the Aegean Sea near Santorini after striking a volcanic reef. Its wreck remains a point of environmental concern. This one says, what shipyard built MSC Diamond? Your options are Chantiers, Vasarely, and Bloom plus Voss. Vasarely. The Vasarely shipyard in Finland was responsible for constructing this vessel. It was originally designed for Nordic cruises. Tell us the original name of MSC Diamond. Do you think it was Sea Glory, Burqa Princess, or Diamond Glory? You are correct if you said Burqa Princess. The ship first sailed under the name Burqa Princess, offering luxury cruises in Scandinavian waters. It was renamed multiple times during its service. 5. When did MSC Diamond sink? 2007, 2005, or 2009? (2007). MSC Diamond sank in early April 2007 due to a collision with a reef. The incident led to widespread discussions about maritime safety. 6. Operator of MSC Diamond at sinking. Costa, Lewis Hellenic, or Star Cruises? Lewis Hellenic. Lewis Hellenic Cruises operated the ship during its Mediterranean itineraries. The company managed various popular vessels in the region. 7. What caused MSC Diamond's sinking? Fire, collision, or storm? Collision. The ship struck a volcanic reef, causing severe flooding that led to its sinking. Investigations pointed to navigational errors as a contributing factor. 8. What type of ship was MSC Diamond? Ferry, cruise, or cargo? Cruise. MSC Diamond operated as a cruise ship, hosting thousands of passengers each year. It was known for its Mediterranean routes. 9. Total passengers on board at sinking. 1,567, 1,123, or 1,195? 1,567. At the time of the disaster, the ship was carrying a mix of passengers and crew. The evacuation involved challenges due to its location. 10. Depth where msseadiamond sank: 85 meters, 72 meters, or 130 meters. "85 meters. The shipwreck lies at a depth of approximately 85 meters near Santorini. Its location has drawn attention from divers and researchers. 11. Number of fatalities from sinking: 2, 5, or 3. 2. 2 lives were lost during the tragedy, sparking debates about maritime safety standards. Efforts were made to improve emergency response protocols. 12. Nationality of lost passengers: Italian, French, or Greek. French. The victims of the sinking were French citizens on a holiday cruise. Their deaths deeply affected the international cruise community. 13. Who salvaged msseadiamond? Nobody. Salvers Incorporated or Greek Navy. Nobody. Despite various attempts, the wreck of msseadiamond was never salvaged. Environmental concerns remain about the fuel and materials on board. Thank you for watching, friends. See you in the next quiz. Bye-bye.